Assalamu alaikum student. Today's topic is about formation of urine and excretion of urea. Now students, there are lots of waste are present in our blood and that is to be removed to clean the blood. Now how it has happened? This has happened in the excretory system of human being. Now student, take a look what is the meaning of excretion. Excretion is the removal of waste from the body, and the system, the organ system that removes the waste from the body and filters the blood is called excretory system. Now let's begin with excretory system. Students, you already know the parts of excretory system. The human excretory system is composed of a pair of kidney, a tube called ureter comes out of each kidney and goes to the urinary bladder. Urine is collected in the urinary bladder and from where it is expelled out through urethra as and when required. Now student, kidney. Kidney is a bean-shaped organ which lies near the vertebral column in the abdominal cavity. When we are talking about kidney, we should know the term nephron. The kidney is composed of many filtering units called nephron. Nephron is called the functional unit of kidney. Now, what is nephron? The nephron, actually, this nephron filters the blood and it is composed of tangled mass of tubes and a filtering part called glomerulus. Glomerulus is a network of blood capillaries to which renal artery is attached. Glomerulus is enclosed in a capsule and this capsule-like portion called Bowman's capsule. The Bowman's capsule extends into a fine tube which is highly coiled and this tube from a various nephron converged into a collecting duct which finally goes to the ureter. Now students, how the filtration takes place. In kidneys, blood from all the parts, all the body cells comes with the waste and enters in kidney. Right? Means kidney collect blood from all the body cell. Right? And this blood have waste material and this blood with waste material enters into kidney. Now nephron present in the kidney filters this blood, means they remove all the waste material. Now passing a blood through a filter is called filtration. Now this filtrations takes place in glomerulus. And what is glomerulus? Glomerulus is a small network of capillaries encased in a top of nephron by a cup-shaped structure called Bowman's capsule. Now fluid from the blood flows into Bowman's capsule. The materials filtered from the blood include water, urea, glucose, salts, amino acid, and some vitamins. Now, plasma protein, cells, and platelets remain in the blood because they are too large to pass through the capillary wall. Remaining material called urine, and the urea is excreted from the blood and is emptying into the collecting duct. As the kidney works, purified blood is returned to circulation while urine is collected into the urinary bladder. Now, student, the urine is stored here until it is released from the body through a tube called urethra. And this is how the urea is excreted or other waste product which are present in the blood is collected into the collecting duct, and from that passing into the through the urethra.